Hey everyone, Dr. Taylor Levine here at Unruh Spine Center, where today I'd like to start going over some different conditions that you may be dealing with at home, and not only talk about what they are, but how you can help yourself at home deal with these issues, as well as what you might see when you do come in office to get treatment for them. All right, so the first condition that we're going to talk about is if you are dealing with pain in the bottom of the foot, and that's whether you're dealing with pain directly in the middle of the foot or potentially on the bottom in this heel area. This is known as plantar fasciitis, where what that is we have a tendon that runs from our heel bone all the way up to the ball of our foot. It helps support that bottom foot and supports that arch that we have in our foot. And whether it's just overuse injuries like running or standing on your feet with improper cushions, it can cause a lot of agitation to that tendinous sheet, which is going to give you that sharp pain, especially in the morning when you wake up. So if this is something that you're dealing with, then I have some solutions for you. Okay, so for some more at-home treatments that you can do to help with your plantar fascia pain is one, ice therapy definitely helps. You can take your ice pack and put it right over this plantar fascia area. The foot can get numb quite quickly, so I would highly suggest maybe only putting that ice pack on for 3 to 5 minutes on the bottom of that foot to help just reduce the inflammation on that tendon. And you can do that once or twice a day. The reason why we're going to ice and not heat on the bottom of this foot is when this plantar fascia is really aggravated and inflamed, when you put heat to the area, it's going to bring more inflammation. And especially if you have that type of job where you're standing all day long, we want to really help work on reducing that inflammation, and that's where that ice over this area helps. Okay, next I'm going to show you, if you have one of these massage guns at home, how to work this foot area to help decrease some of your plantar fascia pain. What we would be doing is be working through the ball of your foot up through this heel area. So I'm just going to turn this on a low setting here so you have an example. You'd work on just going back and forth on the ball of the foot to start with, to loosen up the tension in the front of the foot area, and then you can start working up and down that plantar fascia. If you find tender spots, you can kind of hold over that area until the tension releases. And you can make a good handful of passes up and down here, and you can do this daily to help just increase the motion and the mobility in this foot. This is something very easy to do at home if you have a massage gun. I'm just showing you on our patient here right now, but at home you would just pretty much do the same exact thing as I just explained. So if you're dealing with this issue and you have any questions or concerns, feel free to come make an appointment with me, Dr. Levine at Unruh Spine Center. And don't forget to check out my YouTube page where I have a ton of different stretches and tips to help deal with various issues that you may be dealing with.